Welcome to Newbie Q.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of Newbie Q Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. I'm your hostess with the mostest, Jazz, and today is a great day. Today's a new day, and I just wanted to let you guys know that this channel is doing great. We're growing. Everything's going great, and I have officially gonna do my first unboxing. Well, I guess it's technically like my third unboxing. Before I show you this, I actually did one for both my Oklahoma Joe's grills, but today we're gonna do one for the Meatstick. See if I can get you to, oh, there we go, look at that. This is the Meatstick Mini X, and this is pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about the Meatstick. I actually have a link in the description if you'd like to go and check one out, maybe buy one for yourself. Click the link in the description if you want to, and let's go ahead and get this sucker open and see what it's all about. Now, before we do that though, let me tell you, this thing is dishwasher safe. It's a deep fryer proof. It's high heat resistance. It has 8+ hours on a full charge. It's app enabled and extended range. If you don't know what the Meatstick is, I probably should have told you already, but the Meatstick is a meat thermometer. It's a Bluetooth meat thermometer. It does say it's the smallest wireless meat thermometer. So right here on the side. See if you can see it. Oh, look at that. There you go. And it looked pretty cool. I'm pretty excited about this. And anyway, let's stop talking. Let's just go ahead and let's get it to opening this sucker up. All right, here we go. Meatstick Mini X. Let's open this sucker up. Oh, well, maybe. I know I cut one of these sides open. There we go. Meatstick. Alright, let's see what we got here. Oh, something else. Whoop, there we go. Alright, got some instructions. First time setup. Looks pretty straightforward. You're going to have to go download the app, though. I need to get that app. Comes with the become a member Meatstick Champ. You get $5 off your next purchase. Some free swag. That's pretty cool. Check that out. Alright, here it is. Take it out. Look at that. Look how small that is. This is the Mini X. There is a bigger version of the Meatstick. But I think there's a Meatstick X, and I'm not sure. There's some other ones too. But I went ahead with the Mini. That way I can use it on all my smaller meats like steak and chicken and all that. So that's why I have the Mini. Alright, so we got the base here. Looks like that's how it gets its charge and everything from that. I gotta put some batteries in it, looks like. Look at that, some batteries. Let's go get some batteries and we'll see what happens next. Alright, got some batteries. Oop. I got a bad hand, y'all. There we go. Put that in there. Put the back on it. Boom. Easy enough. I think it's on. I have to go get the app. Let's get the app downloaded. Alright, so it's probably kind of hard to see, but I got the app working. It's connected. It shows it's 86 degrees here in my garage. This down here is like your graph. It'll show you a little graph here. And it's pretty easy, pretty simple. It'll show your elapsed time of cooking, time remaining, your battery, and your Bluetooth connection. It also shows right here. I think this will light up or something. I'm not sure. But anyway, I know it's kind of hard to see because it's on my phone here. Oh, look, that's a better way to do it. Maybe put it to the side. Anyway, let's go get us a piece of meat and do some cooking, and we'll get to see how this thing works even better. That's the app telling me it's done. It says at 142, it says target temp 145. The alarm was set at 140. So we're going to go ahead and get this steak pulled off there. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, there you go. There you have it. The Meatstick Mini X. A perfect medium steak. Got it to 145. The camera lighting is kind of washing it out a little bit. I don't know if I can make it. Oh, that's a little bit better. Anyway, there you have it. Looks pretty good. I'm hungry, so I'm going to go eat this thing. Alright guys, so we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewBQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. And don't forget to follow me on social media at NewBQ2020 on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And NewBQ Backyard Barbecue on TikTok. See you guys next time. Oh, once again, don't forget, link in the description for the Meatstick. You can get a good discount if you use my link down at the bottom in the description. And see you guys next time. Peace out.